say I'm not gonna move it until you say.
Me? you know you're not in the shot right now. Yo, Murray. Murray.
What bit's the camera? What bit should I be looking at?
The bit that looks like a camera.
Oh shit, that bit.
No, not that bit. Cody. Mason. Move your bitch ass head out of the way.
I'm gonna move my bitch ass head. I'm gonna move my manly ass head out of the way.
Motherfucker.
Song again.
You got a haircut. Oh, you got that shit. You got that shit. Yeah, Murray. Yeah, Murray. Yo, do a big push. Do a big push. Whatever. Now put your right foot in front. No, you freak. You freak.
You gotta break that. Every song has a sequel. Never same, everything but the name. All fish, just like back then. How we do everything. Tell me as they say, L-O-V-E, eloquently see everything as a partner. Never say you got to keep it tight always. Just like back then. Hear me now. Once together, now where do we go? My knees feel so tight.
Maybe you're just
Watch
tight.
this. Watch this. I'm tight.
You barely touch it.
This is what we did now. What we touching now?
I knew you was in around, playing all innocent horns since the
Show us the trick, Greg. Show us the trick.
The pound is 10 crown facing the risk being jammed up like traffic inbound from spacing. There's been a place for you in my heart since we first met. A teenage love that didn't feel no hurt yet. My boys warned me you was poison like the first
Mason. Mason, show us the trick.
Gave up the skirt, now I gotta hear from the street. How dare you drag my name in the dirt and cheat?
Wait, come on, show us the trick. You got it. Come on, man. Any trick, any trick. Wait, that's tough.
Nearly got.
That's tough. Wait, I'll show the guys the trick. I'll show the guys the trick.
All day, and just to think, I used to be proud of you, and you had some real good power.
Wait, keep going.
Probably kiss me later that evening, I should be early. Matter of fact, give me back my bracelet and my Shirley. I'd rather waste it, or give it to your girlfriend. She did let me stab it last week while you was working.
Yeah,
Remember, I vacation out to Maryland.
I still got a video
to Maid Carolyn, she made me throw the
I think it's like great ad. No, I'm trying to get a video of you doing it. We didn't do it. I forgot about
No e-scooters on the train. The skateboards?
Ready and prepared to be stomped in the ground.
Right. That's ain't E. Just A skateboard. Yeah, we're good. We're good. I know what. They said no e-scooter. We ain't got no e-scooter.
Might not be allowed to then. Dad, these aren't.
Drink.
Okay. I'll help. Nah, I couldn't bring that actually.
He's dragging me.
I think I'm gonna have 2 bars live.
Stupid ass bitch, open up your legs and put your lead in this. Ooh, yeah, that's that pencil. Hope you don't come on my instrumental. Cause I like girls who like men. No white girls, just Asian or damn. Anywho, back to the topic. Just the other day, I was hopping in the mosh pit and some poor nigga got a face full of armpit. Good thing I always apply speed stick. Cheap and effective like weed is. One puff on the butt head to your beads. It's the Oprah Winfrey to your little white boy who's traumatized because he got fucked by his teacher who also happens to be a cat.
Yo, you tell us how. You tell us how. What you doing?
I'm trying to make it a Friday.
What are you doing up there, son? What are you doing?
Wait.
No, it's cat tower.
What are you doing, bro?
Thrust.
Trying to move backwards on it? Oh, we're
You're in the frame, by the way. We're getting Cody's jacket, though. Yeah, you did.
Young, black, wild as fuck, dipping these fat hoes in tummy tuck.
Yo, I can't talk, bro. I just realized I'm taking a video this whole time. Let's go listen to all our random talks. Yo, I got it.
Action. Action.
What was the script?
You're talking about Orbeez. Orbeez? Remember those? Orbeez. Alright, go, action.
Green one, man. Remember that in
You guys even read the script?
That is not the film them coming up for that.
Oh yeah, wait, give me 1 second. What are you gonna ask us?
You want to take photos of us, huh? You want to take photos?
Greg's is really good. Sponsors. You reckon you get some money in the free? Yeah, zoom in now. Hey!